Good morning, my YouTube friends. Hope you're doing good today. Finally got the people out of that house. I'm going to take you over there and show you that house. But first, I want to tell you we were being forecasted and still in the forecast for inclement weather, meaning we're supposed to get ice, like up to a ½ inch of ice. We did get some over the night, so here's my preparation for when they're calling for bad weather. As you can see, I had a Milwaukee M12 flashlight. I had my power sources you put on batteries. Had this one. This is new, just come in. We'll be looking at this pretty soon. The little M12 rover, you know, that does this. It'll power your phone or whatever. Milwaukee top off. I really like that. Milwaukee heat gun. The DeWalt inverter. But let's go over and look at that house. Well, as you can see, the ice truck's been running for a little bit. It is sleeting a little right now. Let's just start off, and I want to say first of all, I got out blessed because this could have been a lot worse than what it was. We're talking 5 months, not paying rent. The people basically told me they had rights and it was mine and my wife's responsibility to provide them a place to live during a pandemic. I think they got on drugs because the police came to me and said, hey, these people are wearing us out. They're calling us multiple times a day and night. They're up all night. They're thinking people have got the house surrounded. The Mexican cartel's looking for them. The Mexican cartel's got the house surrounded. They're sitting out in their cars. They're setting off the alarms, blinking lights, trying to scare people off. So I think they's tripping. I guess they hit my post sometime or another there. Damaged that. Door handle broke. It's laying in here. They snuck a dog in on me. As you can see right here, tore door facings up because I do not allow dogs in my rental places. Stove, spotless. Refrigerator, spotless, other than, I don't know, had a war going on in here or something with that. It got kind of marked up. Lamps broke. You can see how it's hanging. That's broke. Dog scratching. Cabinets. Dog really scratched up the door right here. I mean, really clawed that. And that's evidence of a dog just being left. That's why I don't allow them. These people couldn't even afford to take care of themselves. They didn't need a dog to take care of. Jeff's here on the job. Brand new. I mean, this was brand spanking new. This is an expensive vanity. I bought it on sale, but it was like a $300 vanity. Looked like it was in there carving on it or something. Their water had been off for over a month. So we found water jugs. They've got like 10 gallon water jugs in the trash can. So they were getting water somewhere. So what we figured was they were just getting in the bathtub here and using gallon jugs to, you know, try to sponge off or something. Because I talked to the water people. They quit paying their water a long time ago. For some reason, every smoke detector in this house is gone. They took them. More evidence of a dog. Evidence of domestic violence, I guess. You can tell the door was, boom, kicked in right there. So I'm sure this is where they were sleeping, the bedroom, and one of them locked the door and the other kicked it in. Fortunately, they left me this right here. I'm very fortunate to receive that. It, for some reason, Every house that I get back, I get them box springs and a mattress. I'm a winner. Carpet's really nasty up here. Really nasty. Evidence of dog scratching. All of this was painted up before that I turned the house over to them. All of this was painted. It's nasty up here for some reason. These people were heavy smokers. This house smells like it had 10 cartons of cigarettes smoked in it. But when they first moved in, they would go outside and smoke. Then after they quit paying the rent, the eviction started, they were coming upstairs up here and smoking sitting at this window because we would see them. And I guess that's why this carpet right here is so greasy and nasty, and for some reason this wall got really nasty. But I came out blessed. It could have been a lot worse. I've had a lot worse. But I'm also thankful that I've got it recorded when I very first bought my first property. It's been some 12 to 13, 14 years ago. This is the second time out of those many years that I've had to go through this much ordeal to get somebody out. I'm around 5,000 into this one, getting the people out. That's losing $4,250 in rent, and then about 700 or so in attorney fees, court cost. I had to go to court twice to get them out. They left yesterday. In an eviction like this, there's no winners, all losers. I lost the tenants. I lost $5,000 with lost rent and attorney fees, court cost, and so on. They lost a place to live. So there's no winners. And plus they lost more of their reputation if they had any, because they probably had done this where they come from for me. They knew the system. So there's no winners in this. And plus, I'm in a very small town, so I told everybody in town their names. Better be careful when you deal with them. They will try to cheat you. They will try to do you wrong. And so, you know, their reputation is gone here. I know that they did not stay in Russellville because they left the electric on. If they'd have stayed in Russellville, then they would have had to turn the electricity on and it went off here. Well guys, I thank you for watching. I just wanted to, because I had expressed with you, you know, trying to get the people out of that house. Finally got it out. I hated it worked out like it did. It's never something I'm proud of or enjoy doing, but I do run a business, and 5 months of no rent, plus you're getting stimulus checks and unemployment, you can pay something. And so it's gone too far. I also meant to show you over the kitchen sink. There was a light up there. It's gone for some reason. I don't know why that's gone. But anyway, all in all, I'm blessed with how it turned out. It took a lot of prayer, a lot of Bible reading, because there's a lot of times the flesh in me wanted to act out, say things I shouldn't say, and there's never any peace with that. And I called on 4 of my friends, my pastor and 3 of my friends, and I told them what I was struggling with, and I needed prayer, and praying that I didn't do the wrong things I would be ashamed of, say things I shouldn't say, act in a way I'd be ashamed of, hurt my reputation or anything like that. And so it took a lot of prayer and a lot of Bible reading for me to stay calm. And but staying calm and not having confrontation with the people, there's peace in that. And so anyway, just wanted to share that with you, just some of the realities of doing this type of work. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. It's getting cold here. I'll see you on another video.